Buenos dias, mi local Cebuanos! I know you are looking for the perfect burrito here in Cebu, and fortunately, anaa ang OG burrito joint here in Mandaue and in Puso Village. And I know, busy kayo mo guys. So, si Burrito nag-provide na sila of very easy way to order your burritos through their website. So, mauna ako itulo sa inyo karon. Let's go!
Ordering made easy with Burrito. First off, add to ta silang website ka ceburrito.ph. Go to order now, then choose through a wide array of selections. Kung kumpleto na, go to checkout. To get 20% off on your orders, use my code LOKALCEBUANO para makasave mo og 20% off sa inyong total bill. Fill your delivery details then pay through QRPH, GCash, or Maya. No worries as these are secured payment gateways. Also, you can communicate with them through their website. Idol kayo ba?
Si Burrito kaya na? Alright. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
She make it clap. I got the strap. 21 gats. Feel like I'm savage. 21 bitches and none of them average. I'm gonna fuck me tonight, me a bad bitch. I don't give a fuck about niggas. I don't
Susapin yung giwat. Ato na suwayan. Huwag testingan.